today. This chair is just the worst. Today, I have a really cool project. My in-laws have some photos of their parents, my wife's grandparents, who unfortunately are no longer with us, and I never got to meet them. However, I have a unique opportunity to Photoshop them. This is a weird thing, but I'll show you. These old photos that I'm going to take out of the frames and scan them and try to repair them and maybe color correct them a little bit. There's a little bit of damage. Maybe we can get new prints where they actually look really good. So let's see if I can actually do this. It seems like it's gonna be difficult, to be honest. I mean, there's a lot of color correction here. It's very purpley reddish. There's like all the, I don't know what kind of film was used. I don't know when the photos were taken. And hopefully, as I pull them out of the frame, I won't do any damage to them. There's this photo, okay, this one, and this one. This one's a little bit bigger. It looks like there's two separate photos that they just put together in one photo. If you can see this line. And I should be able to just scan one side and then scan the other and then put them back together in Photoshop, and I'll take the measurements of these photos and everything fits together properly. Oh, that is super convenient. It actually tells me the size. You know what I think I'll do? I think I'm gonna take a scan of the photo like it is now, and then I'm going to take off the picture, and anything that's damaged, I'm gonna have information from this photo in this scan with the glass, and it's not, you know, ripped up in all these pieces down here that are all glued on. And I'll see if I can use this information to repair anything that gets broken as I'm cleaning it off the glass. Okay. Oof. Oy vey. I need a knife.